Some people are real masters who can really do the impossible. From the standard size product, they make a huge one, which unbelievably works great. Therefore, if you want to find out more about these phenomenal gadgets, then this is the right video for you. Stay with us and find out about the top 10 giant gadgets that actually work. Those who watch the video till the end can take part in our giveaway and win one of the cool gadgets from this video. Follow the instructions and test your luck. First, you need to find all our Techie World logos in the videos and write down in one comment the exact time every logo appears. You can see the example on the screen. The rest will be announced at the end of the video. Number 10. Giant Toothbrush. This 5-foot toothbrush is for sure one of the best gigantic gadgets that is going to blow you away. People managed to create such a product that absolutely can change your mood for the better. I mean, look at it! It is such a perfect replica of a regular toothbrush. Believe it or not, it actually works if you want to clean your whole face in one attempt. Just take this giant toothbrush and rub your face and teeth at the same time. You will save time for sure. If you think that won't suit your daily cleaning routine, you can actually use this item in your bathroom to inspire your kids to brush their teeth on a regular basis, or at a dentist's office as a fun souvenir. Such an amazing product. Number 9. Giant Clear Decorative Hand-Blown Wine Glass. Guys, this 20-inch by 8-inch by 8-inch product is one of the best giant products ever, especially for those who love drinking wine. Are you a huge wine lover and you need just one large wine glass that'll last you for hours? Then this is the perfect solution for you. And that's not all. You can use it in so many different ways. For example, you can use it as a table decoration, fill it with flowers, or literally anything you want. It can serve as an ice bucket too. It is a perfect decorative glass for any occasion, such as your birthday party, your wedding, anniversary, and so much more. A must-have product. Number 8. Giant Guitar. Guys, this is one of the largest guitars ever, but did you know that it actually works? This magnificent 6-string acoustic guitar is one of the craziest gigantic products ever created. We're sure that every real musician would love to have such an extraordinary instrument at home. But let's be honest, who wouldn't want to have it? Did you know that this 6-string acoustic guitar is not just a display prop, but works perfectly? Yeah, you can play this guitar and sound perfect if your fingers are large enough to catch a chord. Its height is 79 inches with a diameter of 32 inches. Such an awesome product. Number 7. Jumbo Fly Swatter. Have you ever wanted to kill several flies with just one swing? Well, this fly swatter will make it possible for you. It can actually be used in different ways. Although this fly swatter is huge and gigantic, it works and is functional. You can use it for various purposes, and one of them is as an ornament in your yard. You can add some flowers or different kinds of assets to it, such as Christmas lights, and hang it in your room, or use it for what you want. Number 6. Chocolate Coin. Who wouldn't want this huge chocolate coin as a gift for Christmas or any other holiday? This is one of the best products ever. It is not only for the people who love chocolate, but also for those who want to have a unique product. This mega-sized 1-pound chocolate coin is a real deal. If you want to make your loved ones happy, children and of course adults too, then this is a great product for you. Who wouldn't want to have such a huge piece of chocolate in their hands? Amazing! Number 5. Classic Giant Uno. Everyone is in love with this family game. People created the exact family card game you all know and love, but with cards 3 times larger than original. This is the perfect size if you find yourself in a larger group on vacation, at the beach, the pool, or wherever you are. It is the same as the classic Uno. You only match cards by color or number in a race. But because this production is the largest, it makes the game much funnier. Everyone is going to fall in love with this gigantic version of Uno. It is aimed for everyone who is 7 years old or up. It comes with 108 cards and instructions too. A perfect gift for your loved ones. Number 4. Dixon Pencil. One of the best gigantic products ever. You can use this gigantic Dixon pencil for literally anything you want. You can use it as a gift, as decor in your classroom, your own room, and you can actually write with it, if you're strong enough to hold it and control it. It can also be a perfect gift for the graduate or a favorite teacher too. It is actually a perfect replica of the original Dixon Pencil. It's almost impossible. This time, it measures in at 68 inches long and 3 inches in diameter. One of the dopest replicas ever created. Number 3. EasyGoProducts 54-piece large wooden block stack. How thrilling is this gigantic version of this product? This is not the largest Jenga-style wood stacking, but it's absolutely worth it. The funniest game for a perfect price. We're sure you're going to love it. The value and quality of this game are fascinating. It is interesting to know that each block is 6 inches long by 2 inches wide by 1.33 inches tall. That makes this game one of the most gigantic ones, and for sure adds to the fun this game provides. You can play it in different kinds of family gatherings, with your friends, wherever and with whoever you want to. It goes with easy storage, and you can transport it easily. Number 2. Vegetable Slicer. This vegetable slicer is a real life changer. It can be used with different kinds of vegetables and fruits such as carrots, cucumbers, zucchinis, radishes, or any other shaped fruits and vegetables. It is created out of plastic. It's easy to use, long-lasting, and is very effortless to clean. It is also used to sharpen or curl ribbons of your chosen vegetables or fruit, and with that, to decorate different kinds of dishes and recipes. And we must say, it looks really attractive. Just look at that unique shape. Indeed, every household should have this product at home. Number 1. Mighty Selfie Stick. This mighty selfie stick is one of the best inventions ever. It's easy to use with 26 inches or 66 centimeters, can extend to 10 feet or 305 centimeters. It's such fun having this gigantic stick. With it, you can create your best images and videos ever. This is literally a must-have product, right? As you watch this video to the end, you will definitely want to take part in our giveaway and win one of the gadgets covered in this video. Subscribe, thumbs up, and leave a comment with the exact time of every Techie World logo shown in this video. If you haven't found them, watch the video one more time. We will announce the winner in the subsequent videos, so make sure to turn on the notification bell so that you can check if you have won. Guys, that's it for this video. We hope you enjoyed it. Feel free to comment in our comment section about which gigantic gadget is your favorite from our video. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more thrilling info like this, and hit the notification bell so you never miss any of them. And of course, thank you so much for being with us. We are here for you. See you in our next video.